Feel the presence in the air when the trio comes around. A couple players from the south in Tennessee. We bring the sound, staying high till we die. Look, but don't be scared.
The question has been answered, boys and girls. Devilish trio type beat. Did you fucking hear that shit? My fucking beats are getting fucking crazy. When I made that shit and I put the acapella over it, holy moly, I was like, fuck, dude, it's crazy. But I'm gonna show you how I did that shit. I just did my usual methods, bro. I think how you make like eerie, just weird, creepy shit, right? Like, you do want to have some shit like this on the screen. Like, yes, this shit looks fucking crazy as fuck. But the reason it looks crazy as fuck is because honestly, I think the key is you just have to throw some halftime on this shit. Like, if you look right here, I got halftime, I got all this crazy shit. That's how I make some weird ass fucking melody. In my experience, I fucking throw in some crazy shit. It has to be with intention, though, you know what I'm saying? With intention. I fucking threw halftime, then I think I threw shaper box, and I guess a halftime with nothing on it, but it sounds good, so I left it. So we're gonna listen to the original melody without all the effects, and then I'll go over what I did to make this before I threw on the effects. That sounds creepy and crazy, right? So maybe you don't need halftime, but halftime just enhance that shit to the max, bro. We're going for a Devilish trio type beat. So how the fuck did I do that shit? How did I do that? Look at this, man. But before I say it, answer for me. 1, 2, 3, semitones. If we got that right, I know you're cooking some fucking heat. Semitones. I ain't gotta say it. Boom, right here again. At the bottom right here, I've been dabbling, bro. I don't usually put chords and shit. I just put like a root note at the bottom. But for this specific beat as well, I use sky keys. I just wanted to do some weird shit. This is like some weird like arpeggio, or there's some LF over it, where it just repeats. You see, it just gives it that fucking crazy bounce. So sound selection is such a big thing in this. And we're gonna listen to it with all the effects now. Yes, I know it's fucking crazy, bro. I put all that shit on. I was just like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I knew what I was doing, kinda. And then this shit just fucking farted in my face, and I was like, what the fuck? The only thing I added when I had all the effects on was just this shit right here. It just gave it a little like, I just added some shit, bro. You know, you gotta fucking dabble and go crazy any fucking step of the way. You do some shit. You know, we need that depth, so we have this. It's crazy and creepy. Yeah, sky keys again. I go on sky keys fucking just binges and shit. Just one time like every like month. Just repeating the root note C and C just to give it more bass, more fucking creepy bullshit, you know what I'm saying? These background vocals, because what is this shit without? Just like my last video, I don't know if this one or my Ramirez one's coming first. I'll just give you a hint of what's coming next. I use a loop again. Just gave me that creepy feeling, you know? It's alright to use loops. I just did it for the hi-hats, and then I added my own snare and then my own 808. I saw this Memphis tutorial online. You could put like the triplet at the end or the fucking crazy snare shits, but everything just goes in fucking so heavy together that it's just beautiful. So we just have every third beat. And what I find super important, especially with like Suicide Boys, G59, Memphis type shit, is just put on some reverb, because this is before, after. Blew my socks off, bro. The fucking kick, everyone. The fucking kick. This is a lot different than my usual drum. This is a lot different than my usual drum patterns, but that loop gave me inspiration to do some crazy shit like this. When you hear different shit, your mind just connects the dots and it's like, okay, this sounds fucking good. So this is what the fuck I'm doing. And the 808, this is super important. I don't want the 808 to play on every single kick that I put. So I just have it like this. Just try that out. Like, you don't have to completely copy your 808 pattern over the kicks, vice versa. It just adds a lot more character when you don't do that. Sometimes, you know, like, you don't have to do that all the time, but sometimes, you know, it calls for it. And this calls for just deleting some of the 808s. Oh, and then we have this. I forgot this shit. If this video inspired you of how to make different types of melodies and just a different approach in general, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And then, you know, leave more recommendations below. It doesn't have to be like a specific artist and shit, but more like how to make dark melodies, how to make evil melodies, you know, stuff like that. Leave that shit down below. I'd really appreciate it. I need some ideas. Please. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe so you could get more of this knowledge that I have to spread. Thank you. My name is No
Feel
Sabo.
the presence in the air when the trio comes around. A couple players from the south in Tennessee. We bring the sound, staying high till we die. Look, but don't be scared to smoke. Kick back, drink a beer and start to write these words being spoke. Just the players been a book from early on. I love to sin since a kid. It's been the same. I'm getting fucked up till my end. Grew up buried under pressure, knowing life never gets better. So I'll take this time that I got left to bring the world some terror. Beware, aware, you scared of the things that you see. I'm well aware of the despair, it tends to follow me. No guarantees in life, so I'm living by any means. That's what it's like when you live in life in the world of free. Never gets better, life's never pleasure. Rich or poor, it's all the same. In the end, you'll never remember. Just a bunch of sheep back in the same and thinking that they can rip. Well, you not, so shut the fuck up, bitch. The trio's here to night shit. Purgatory paying for